Now, first of all, to pair a mobile, we make sure Bluetooth is on. Then, from any screen, again, you can, from home, you've got phone here, please pair phone, or you can go, if you're on another screen, if you just click phone, search new. Now, we're going to do it from vehicle to device because that generates a random pin and it's easy to do. You just, well, I'll show you. So it's searching for my phone. I do sometimes confuse them because I've just deleted my phone and now I'm pairing it again. Sometimes it takes longer, but it's come up here. So Barry's iPhone 11, click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 1450 on handset. So that's it. Oops. 1450 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I probably won't be using this car, so I'll put don't allow. But it's connecting now. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 11. Connected on the phone. Connecting still. A little bit slower on here. Phone connected. So that's it done. That's how you pair a mobile.